Pursue is a simple riding tactic.
Pursuit. A pursuit is where a defender charges at a retreating raider with the aim of scoring a quick point off him. This is usually done if the other team is slow to retreat from a raid and the defender is close enough to score a point and make it back to the midline quickly before the other players realise.
This is applied on a retreating rider of the opponent who completes his ride and goes back. On that defender, when you attack suddenly, as per the rules, within 5 seconds a raid can start after completion of the opponent's ride. This rule is exploited by the opponent. He takes minimum time and attacks suddenly with a surprise, is known as pursuit.
Is available. Oh, is that a pursuit? That is outstanding effort. Yes, that is indeed a pursuit. And that was seriously quick. Baldev comes in, he almost...
Before he settles, before he reaches his positional play, this pursuer attacks on him. Before he reaches, he tries to touch him with a speed. This itself is a tactical skill. Many situations we see such pursuits are applied on the best riders. A good rider is demoralized with this attack.
Not really on the cards either.
And Kashi looking to go all over the shop. A pursuit and a successful pursuit from Rohit Gulia. It was also a do-or-die raid, and Rohit Gulia has got the lead raider of UV Mumbai, the lone man really, who could have done some damage. That was a moment of brilliance.
As per the rules, pursue is not allowed when there is a tackle or struggle. What is struggle? What is tackle? Tackle is touch between the rider and defender. When the rider touches or defender touches, the struggle starts.
Will you? No, just a ball. That is a pursuit. This is serious business. This shows the difference between the two sides.
Look what Mani does. He actually goes past Baldev, surprises everybody, wins the point, uses the lobbies.
But again, earlier rule said mere touch. If the rider touches merely, that rider can be pursued. There the complication started. How do we judge the mere touch? So there was a problem. In many cases, some official used to allow, some official were restricting such type of rights. So this made little differences between the officials in judging the mere touch. So the rule was changed. When there is a touch from the rider's side, such rider can be pursued. But if the defender tries to hold or tackle, that rider cannot be pursued. This rule was implemented.
ये नितिन रावल का परस्यूट कहीं भारी ना पड़ जाए. बिल्कुल राहुल आउट है. राहुल कुछ नहीं है.
1 point जयपुर बिग पैंथर.
ये देखिए नितिन रावल की नजरें थी, तुरंत गए, टच किया, मन नहीं भरा, दोबारा गए, दोबारा टच किया और राहुल.
Even after many situations came the pursuers should not be allowed or should be allowed when there is a tackle. During Pro Kabaddi, when we were discussing on rules of play and making more simple, this issue has come. Many times, same situation happened. Sometimes the official permitted pursue in the same situation. Sometimes the official, another official may be not permitted the pursuit. So to avoid all these complications, in Pro Kabaddi we have implemented that when there is a tackle, whether rider touches or defender touches, when there is a tackle, when there is a struggle, no pursue was allowed. So this we implemented in Pro Kabaddi. Pursue was not allowed when there is a tackle from any side, whether riding side or defender side. So no mere touch, nothing to see. If there is a tackle, that rider cannot be pursued. So this rule was implemented during Pro Kabaddi, and we have already communicated this to International Kabaddi Federation to bring this small change. I am sure pursue is one of the best technique, one of the best tactics to be allowed. But at the same time, there should be very clean rule on this. So that is the one reason we have requested the International Kabaddi Federation to implement this rule.
Again, you look at the right corner and the right in, there is no evidence of chain whatsoever. That's a pursuit. That is very, very tactfully done by Chandran Ranjit. Outstanding on the ball, on the money. Chandran Ranjit.